Grow lots of tomatoes. Not leaves. Complete growing guide. Growing tomatoes can be a rewarding experience, but it can also be frustrating if you end up with a lot of leaves and not enough fruit. To help you grow lots of tomatoes, not leaves, here is a complete growing guide. 1. Choose the right variety of tomato plant. There are many varieties of tomato plants available, each with its own unique characteristics. Some varieties are more suitable for growing in containers, while others are better suited for outdoor gardens. Choose a variety that is suitable for your climate and growing conditions. 2. Start with healthy plants. Purchase healthy tomato plants from a reputable source or start your own from seed. Healthy plants are less likely to be affected by pests and diseases. 3. Plant in the right location. Tomatoes need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Choose a location that receives plenty of sunlight and has well-draining soil. 4. Provide adequate water. Tomatoes need consistent moisture to grow properly. Water deeply once or twice a week, depending on weather conditions. Avoid getting water on the leaves, as this can lead to disease. 5. Fertilize regularly. Tomatoes need nutrients to grow and produce fruit. Use a balanced fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks during the growing season. Avoid using too much nitrogen, as this can promote leaf growth at the expense of fruit production. 6. Prune and support the plants. Pruning and supporting tomato plants can help them produce more fruit. Remove suckers, the shoots that grow between the main stem and branches, and tie the main stem to a stake or trellis to keep it upright. 7. Watch for pests and diseases. Common tomato pests include aphids, whiteflies, and hornworms. Diseases such as blight and powdery mildew can also affect tomato plants. Monitor your plants regularly and take action at the first sign of a problem. 8. Harvest the fruit. Tomatoes are ready to harvest when they are fully colored and slightly soft to the touch. Gently twist or cut the fruit from the stem. By following these tips, you can grow lots of tomatoes and avoid ending up with too many leaves and not enough fruit. Happy growing!